Last night my kitchen pipes clogged up and I was not able to clear them up with plunger or even with that drain snake, you know, that long flexible metal pipe thingy. So that's when I decided that I need to replace this whole pipe plumbing system under my kitchen sink. I took everything out, and to do that I had to cut open few pipes, because when you join two ABS pipes with ABS cement, it's impossible to take them out without damaging. So I had to cut them open, and that's what I did last night. Cut open the pipes, took all the pipes out and cleared everything under the sink, and today I'm gonna put together all those fitting and get this thing going. Okay, let me show you all the fittings I got to put everything together, and I got everything from Home Depot. So I'll start with this ABS pipe. This is 1.5-inch diameter and 3 feet long ABS pipe I got. So this I'm gonna cut small pieces from wherever I need to join two fittings. For example, I need to join these two fittings. I'll cut smaller piece. I already cut one piece. I'll put it here, so these two are now joined together. And then I got few these T joints, two pipes coming from here and one going from there. Yeah, so few of these, I think 3 or 4. I got 4 of these 90-degree elbows. Some of you might even need 45-degree elbows, but I don't need any 45-degree elbow in my system, so I'm gonna use 4 of these 90-degree elbows, 3 of these trap adapters. So on one side there's this nut and these threaded, on one side this is threaded and on other side is plain. So this is called trap adapter. I got couple of these couplings. So wherever I need to join two pieces of this pipe, so it has small lip here. I don't know if you can see this one. So this pipe will go and be fixed here, and on the other side you can join the other piece of that pipe, and so this is a coupler, plain coupler. What else? Okay, I have these okay, yeah, two of my tail pieces broke. So what are the tail pieces? Tail pieces are the fittings that join the sink to the rest of the plumbing. So that's how they look. They have flange on one end and they're just plain on the other. So like this is the tail piece. That's how I remember it. It's tail of the sink, tail piece. And I have two types of washers. One is these flanged washers. I don't know if you can see. And the other one is this beveled washer. Just see the difference. So I'll show you when we do the fittings which washer goes where. What else? P-trap. One P-trap and this ABS cement. So this is very important. So wherever we need permanent connection, we are using this ABS cement to join two pieces. So that will make sure the pieces are very snug and tight and there's no leakage. So I think that's pretty much about it. I have almost all the fittings here right in front of me, and I'll start now putting together the fittings, and I'll cut this pipe as I go along by measuring and then cutting and then putting together. So I had to cut this outlet pipe from here last night. So I'll use this coupler and a smaller piece of pipe to extend this towards this side so that it's easier for me to join the rest of the plumbing to outlet. So this is what I'll do. To put this thing here, because it's hard for me to put cement here, I'm gonna put cement inside here and then put it up on the wall. Just twist it gently. The outlet fittings are all done. So now I'm gonna work on this whole pipe system, and then I'll join that with P-trap, and then that P-trap will go to this outlet. So let me show you how to attach these tail pieces to the sink and how to use these brackets. I mean, like which bracket goes where. So this is the tail piece. I had to cut it about 3/4 of an inch because this should be at least an inch into this ABS pipe, and it was longer than that, this tail piece. So this goes like this. This slip joint nut goes on top, and this nut will connect this tail piece to the sink, and in here will go this flanged washer like this. And this is a joint nut for trap adapter, and trap adapter has been connected to this pipe, and this pipe is gonna attach this pipe is gonna go into this rest of the system like this. So I'll put this tail piece in here, and yeah, so this is perfect. Now I'll join this piece first. Some cement, I think I put a lot. Okay, I'll hold on to this for about 15 seconds, and it's gonna get hard and fix. Yeah, it's done. So we attach this first, and then we fix this bottom nut, this flanged bracket, washer. Okay, now here's this beveled washer that goes between this nut and its adapter. This goes like this. This thinner part goes on the bottom side. Sorry, I forgot to put this plumber's tape around the threads. So I think it's good enough. So now we have just one connection to make here from this sink to the rest of the piping. So I'm gonna use this tape over the threads wherever the threaded connection. Now we are at the last leg of the piping, which I'm gonna do now. Let me fix the light. Okay, I have already joined these fittings, 90-degree bend, and this trap adapter, and this tail piece will go inside the trap adapter, and this is a slip joint nut. Once again, this will attach this tail piece to the sink, and this is the nut for this trap adapter, and there's a beveled washer inside here that will make sure that there's no leakage from this connection. So we are now joining this like this. Okay, this flange washer goes inside here. This last connection. Everything is done. I'll run the water and see if there is any leakage from anywhere. leakage here, no leakage. I see some leakage here. Okay, I'll fix that. I think we'll replace the washer here. Oops. This washer, this is not a good washer. We'll replace the washer and then see if there is any leakage. This flange bracket, washer. Okay, no leakage here. No leakage here, no leakage here. So that's how you put together the plumbing pipes under a kitchen sink or even a bathroom sink. There's not much difference between kitchen or bathroom sink plumbing, but let's focus on the kitchen sink plumbing for now. So you might have a 1 or 2 basin sink in your kitchen, but I have a 3 basin sink, which is not very common. So your pipe configuration will be a little different than mine, but basic principle is pretty much the same. So let me show you that here. A tailpiece connects the sink to the rest of the pipe system via this trap adapter, and this connection is not permanent and can be taken apart if need be. Pipes from each basin, 1, 2 or 3, they come together to a common T-joint, and a connection from there is made to this outlet through this P-trap. That's all. So that's all. It's not hard, but it needs to be done with precise measurements on some parts. If you have any questions regarding this or any other project of mine, please shoot me a comment and I will definitely get back to you. So that concludes today's video. I'm Sujata, Mayuri's Handy Mom, and I'll see you guys next with a new project. Until then, take care.